Good morning, Jan. How are you?
Morning. I'm fine. How are you?
So fine. So today we agree that we will talk about this one thing. So what do you think about this model?
Yeah, I'm just reading a lot of interesting stuff about it that it generates like awesome videos, something like VO3 or something like that. So I'd like to test it. Did you already tested it?
Yes, I was testing it a couple of days ago. It was quite funny experience because I wanted to use the 8 GPU possibility in AWS, but it was a bit of hacking through Cursor, trying to download the model, put the right command, let the model use all the GPUs on the workstation, etc. But it worked nice, and then actually I was able to generate a few nice videos. Unfortunately, I didn't record them in very short time. So the generation time was for these 8 seconds clips, I think, was like 4 minutes, which was pretty cool. What about you? Did you test it?
Yeah, I did. Actually on Remāngu. What do you normally test? So what's your prompt for a video?
Yeah. So I was doing some Viking fight in medieval age forest. It was nice. They were really fighting. What about you?
Yeah, I'm testing all the, let's say, weird stuff like drifting cars in Tokyo suburbs and guys watching it and yelling, and the tarmac is everywhere and red sporty cars. I like it. And especially if it is like the cinematic quality. But yeah, I tested it in Remāngu actually. So this is
Uh-huh.
my beast here. So comfy for WAN, especially I launched like G6E in AWS with which has like the L40 NVIDIA. It has like 48 gigs. So I was pretending that it will be enough for WAN 2.2. And I decided to use a Comfy, because I don't want to, let's say, be a hacking around. So I just installed the Comfy there.
I understand it.
You'd like to see that, right?
Yes, show it how it works. Because next time I would like to try it again, I would probably again use something easier than hacking it through Cursor.
Hello, my computer. Actually, this is your computer. Thank you for. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is actually my Comfy. And you know it. This is just my Comfy is running here. You know how to do it.
Mhm.
It like create Python environment. You install Comfy. You download models, and you are good to go. But yeah,
Easy.
this is my video.
Okay, nice.
Do you like it? Wow. Especially I like the cinematic mood. It really uh, makes me to recall how the Fight Club. Do you know Fight Club with the Brad Pitt?
Yes. Yeah, it has this colors. That's true.
Yes,
I
exactly.
also like the new way of drifting with the front wheels. It looks pretty awesome.
So how do you want to drift? If you have like the forward wheel drive cars, so front wheel drive cars. This is just the only option, I would say.
That's true. That's true. Looks
Actually,
nice. And
really?
how long did it take to generate this video?
Yeah, I created like the entire environment in 4 minutes, and the video was pretty fast. Like in 5 minutes, 4 5 minutes, it was done. But I needed to download the models. They are huge
Mm.
because I have two of them, like the high res and low res, high noise and lower noise. So it's in total I needed to download 28 gigs from the Hugging Face or from internet actually. And but on AWS it is like you have the progress bar and it is done. That's
Yeah,
that's
that's pretty cool. I saw it also when I was doing my Hacky Way. I was also running it on AWS, and it was I think like 100 gigs per second or something crazy like that. Maybe it's too much. I don't know, but I think it was something like that. Cool.
yeah. So I downloaded the models, then I launched the video generation. First you need to, let's say, move the models to the memory of the GPU, so load them actually, which you do just for the first time, and then you generate the videos, and it takes some minutes, but very bearable, I would say. What's best on that? Because imagine that I'm doing this one on my own computer, so I will kill it completely for minutes, or for hours, actually. But I have like many of them here also. For example,
Show me.
yeah, here I have another one, and I can launch it as well, and it doesn't work. Yeah, it's working.
Of course, it's like
Maybe.
maybe it works. Yeah, it
Yeah,
works. Another my computer. Cool.
and yeah. So another like the models, checkpoints, workflows, and you can work in parallel, literally. So
Okay,
if you
so
need
it's
to
actually it's
generate.
different config, right? So you can write or you can run multiple generations at parallel.
Absolutely, absolutely. So you can have as many computers as you want with a config, and that's nice. That's nice, and it's actually super easy. If I need a new one, I will just click this. I select my region, which is the closest to me. Then I show me. Then I select this comfy template. I name it somehow. I select my desired like GPU with some memory or whatever, disk size. I click create, and it's here. In next minute, I have another config environment ready to work with a good card.
Much easier than my way, I have to say. But one question: what about this like multi GPU? Were you able to do it inside of Comfy or not yet?
Yeah, actually, you can have like the multi GPU instance, but inside the config, actually, I was not playing with that, but I know that there is like the multi GPU custom node.
Mhm.
I'm thinking that I will just add the node, configure it somehow, then restart the config. Because normally I see that there are like the multiple H100 or L40s or whatever cards I have on the instance. But if it will just use them in config, I don't know. I didn't try that. You do? You did?
I tried it when I was playing with one, but honestly, I wasn't able to make it working. But I didn't spend that much time on it. When I failed, then I go the hacky way. But interesting is that when you said that the generation for you took like 5-6 minutes, actually it wasn't massively faster on my multi GPU. So maybe I did some misconfiguration, or maybe the multi GPU was not that needed. Hard to say. I'm not expert in it, but yeah, it's something we should probably play a bit more to also understand the differences between the multi GPU and the normal one, because maybe it's not actually needed. Maybe they are lying with the 8 GPUs.
I will definitely test it to have it ready in config as well. And if it will work, I will normally add it to our template, in Remāngu, that everyone can use it like immediately. So it will be cool.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You see just the speed of the sampling here. Well, it's not bad, I would say.
It's
Works.
working nice. Okay, so yeah, I think we will probably be adding this template to the Remāngu templates, right? So then also other people can try it and share with us their feedback on how it works.
Yeah, we can do it.
Sounds good.
And
Okay,
anything
thank you.
other?
It was nice chat about the WAN 2.2, and yeah, let's see what will be our next topic. Have a nice weekend.
Have a good one. Ciao.
Ciao.